Hey guys, what's going on? I'm just here to tell you a little bit about one of my favorite snacks. They're Trader Joe's dark chocolate peanut butter cups. They're creamy peanut butter covered in dark chocolate. If you don't have a Trader Joe's by you, you can still order these online pretty easily. They're pretty easy to find and they are delicious. Growing up, I was always a really big Reese's peanut butter cup fan. That was always my favorite snack to have in the house. If I was told I could have whatever candy I wanted from the store, I would always pick out Reese's peanut butter cups. And I know that dark chocolate is supposed to be a little bit healthier for you, and I'm sure Reese's, although it's delicious, has like a lot of kind of like junk in it and other stuff besides just peanut butter and chocolate. So I think that this might be a little bit of a healthier version. They also say dark chocolate is supposed to be way better for you than milk chocolate. The dark chocolate is really decadent. It's delicious. Definitely my favorite. Makes a perfect snack, dessert, or gift. I think these are really fun, like for Valentine's Day, if you're getting people like candies or chocolates. These are nice to put in with the gift. They are so delicious. I'm a huge fan. I've actually turned friends onto this, and I love that you're able to find Trader Joe's products online if you don't have one near you, because I know they're not as prevalent as other grocery stores, and I just happen to love almost all their products. Everything I try I really like. Turn this around to the ingredients. Ingredients are semi-sweet chocolate, chocolate liquor, cocoa butter, chocolate liquor processed with alkali, dry milk fat, soy gelatin, an emulsifier, and vanilla, peanuts, sugar, palm kernel oil, palm oil, lactose, salt, and soy lecithin, an emulsifier. I think the only thing that you have to really worry about with these is if you're getting them delivered, just make sure that, hopefully they wouldn't melt or something like that. You got to keep them in a cool, dry place. Cacao minimum 50%. I think cacao is actually supposed to be pretty good for you. And they do have milk chocolate, and I believe these are gluten-free, but I think that they have milk chocolate peanut butter cups as well that they make if you prefer that to dark chocolate. I know not everybody likes dark chocolate, and those are also really good. I've also purchased their dark chocolate covered almonds. Those are always really good. I love everything Trader Joe's makes. It's definitely my favorite brand of stuff to buy. They're definitely fantastic. I think you can order them online actually in a 4-pack too if you want more. Definitely will meet your dark chocolate covered peanut butter cup cravings. I could definitely eat a whole bag of these. This is the mini bag. Let's see. So this one is 3.5 ounces. And I think that it came with 8 of these in the bag. I'm like, oh, let me pick it up. And of course, like on my way home from the store, I ate 3 peanut butter cups before dinner because they're just so good. They are kosher, as you can see on the label there. Let's look at the nutrition facts. The serving size is about 3 pieces. Servings per container about 3. 180 calories. Calories from fat 100. Total fat 11 grams. Saturated fat 6 grams, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 0 grams, sodium 95 milligrams, total carbohydrate 21 grams, dietary fiber 2 grams, sugar 17 grams, protein 2 grams, iron 8%. And you could also, I forget what the exact ounce is, but if you want like a larger container, you could also get a larger container of these online, and those aren't individually wrapped in the gold wrapper like this. They're just, I think it's the same exact product. So yummy. I think that the ones in the bigger container, which are, I think each container is about 1 pound and comes with 36 of these small peanut butter cups in there. So if you want a larger one, you have the option to do that too. But if you just want to try them out, see if you like them first, which I like to do, I like to get like a smaller product if it's something I'm not sure of, and just check it out, make sure I like it first by getting a smaller pack. I always do that. I'm all about the trial size. And then this is what the peanut butter cup looks like. Delicious. So yummy. Perfect size. Ooh, melting a little bit. you order these, you like chocolate and peanut butter, you're gonna love it. So they're Trader Joe's dark chocolate peanut butter cups, creamy peanut butter covered in dark chocolate, and this was the mini bag. So hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. Have a great night, guys.